It is, what time is it? It is 42 new messages. It is 4:43, 4:44 exactly, on August 20th, 2020. And here is the coach, number 5, backing out of the barn siding. Uphill. We absolute confidence in these bearings. See if I can get a running start and not derail. Well, here we are back in town, safe and sound. Be sure you got all your valuables. Also, I gotta be careful not to show what's in there. There's a lot of valuables in there. Some of it borrowed, some of it blue. Actually, none of it's blue. Oh, there's a little blue right there. One more run, just for fun. And just like that, we're on the ground. Well, at least the first time I put a passenger car on the ground, it was my own railroad. I don't know what I hit, but I hit something. I think I whacked something along the sides.
What did it jump off?
Yeah, it went off to the side this way.
Which way's it gotta go?
It's gotta be lifted up and then back this way towards my truck.
You ready?
Yeah, let me do it with one hand. That's why I help.
Is that on it?
No, I don't think so.
Why don't you look and then I can
Yeah. Lift straight up and towards the truck, more. Yeah, it didn't get over the rail. A little bit more. It's on there. I got a bungee cord right here. I'm actually intending on using the bungee cord to tie it to the hand car on Sunday for the inaugural train ride.
You want me to push you down the hill?
Yeah, I guess so. Let's see if I can go without derailing again.
You ready?
Now, the way this story ends, yeah, I see what I hit. I hit everything. There's a big pile of garbage here. Who would have noticed this thing? Keep on pushing. I'm missing the garbage now.
Kind of went sideways. Feels like something's all right.
I think it's...
Yeah, one wheel I could feel was off.
Well...
Oh, it's heavier now. 2 wheels are off.
Oh, crap. Well... There it is, folks. We'll put it back on after I finish this recording. In case you didn't have enough confidence in the Alexis Railroad and how far it'll go, and in case you were wondering why it is that I have not yet decided to buy the Bavard section of the Blue Ridge Southern Railroad before it's turned into rail trail, it's because I can't even get a little lawnmower train out of my yard without derailing it. Have you ever heard of a lawnmower train derailing before? But here we are.
Ready?
If you want to. Yeah.
Come on.
Alright, straight up. Towards me. Up further towards me.
I can't move it though. I can lift it, but it's hard to twist.
Yeah. Well, it's
So
it's not quite on there. It's barely.
Hold on, I'm trying.
Yeah. There it goes. I see what's going on. I think I know what happened. It's my own faulty track work. Because there's a big dip in the tracks right here where I do all my burnouts. And I've left that dip right there so I can do my burnouts. And because the wheels are so small and the flanges are so small, it's falling off every time I go over
Where
it.
does this end need to go?
The same direction, towards me.
This is a heavy one. There's a lot of crap half of it.
Sorry.
I don't know if I can do this here by myself.